It's the day many kids look forward to, Play Day. A Mesquite parent sharing this video of Lawrence Elementary School students starting the day in fun, and this video ending in fear.
I saw one of my classmates laying on the ground, unconscious.
We're not sharing this student's identity. They were one of several fourth grade students injured while playing on this wrecking ball bounce house Friday morning when a gust of wind came through.
It was tipping over a little bit, and then it just flew into the air. I know I was gonna get hurt in some kind of way, but I didn't know how, and it was really scary.
Fifth grader Israel Rodriguez says he saw the bounce house flip over and ran to alert teachers.
A few of my friends ran over there too to help me get the kids from under.
His mom calling him a hero.
The joy of his teacher telling me, he's a hero. He's very brave for that. It melts my heart.
Mesquite ISD says several students were taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. Some, Israel says, with broken bones. He says the bounce house was on concrete secured by sandbags.
As a mother, it's terrifying.
We reached out to the bounce house company, but haven't heard back.
You don't have proper equipment to keep them weighed down properly, find somewhere else to put them.
Mesquite ISD says all bounce house events are suspended for the rest of the year. But for students,
I saw a lot of my classmates crying.
the fear is still there, along with the need to feel safer. In Mesquite, I'm Brittany Moncrief.